According to the report by news agency PTI, the army has found prima facie evidence that its troops violated powers vested under the Armed Forces Special Powers Act (APSPA) during an encounter in Kashmir's Shopia district in which 3 men were killed in July this year. The army has initiated disciplinary proceedings, officials informed on Friday. The inquiry has brought out certain prima facie evidence indicating that during the operation, powers vested under the APSPA 1990 were exceeded and the do's and don'ts of the Chief of Army Staff as approved by the Supreme Court have been contravened. Consequently, the competent disciplinary authority has directed to initiate disciplinary proceedings under the Army Act against those found prima facie answerable, the brief statement by the army said. Moving on to the next news, a fierce row in the Lok Sabha over a minister's comments on the Nehru-Gandhi family and a Congress leader calling him a chokra led to multiple adjournments for the first time in this parliament session. In the response, opposition members also accused the speaker of bias. The fight started when Union Minister Anurag Thakur spoke out in defense of PM Cares Fund, which the opposition says lacks transparency. Moving on to the next news, the Paytm app has been pulled down from the Google Play Store. Google confirmed that the app was pulled down because of the addition of the fantasy cricket tournament that the company recently included, which violates Google Play policies. Google earlier on Friday had posted a blog that highlighted its gambling policy that doesn't allow app developers to facilitate sports betting. Moving on to the next news, the Congress and the BJP are on the same page as far as the farm bills are concerned, suspended Congress leader Sanjay Jha tweeted on Friday, pointing out that the Narendra Modi government was simply doing what the Congress had promised to do ahead of the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. Folks, in our Congress manifesto for 2019 Lok Sabha elections, we had ourselves proposed abolition of APMC Act and making agricultural produce free from restrictions. This is what Modi government has done in the farmers' bills. BJP and Congress are on the same page here, Mr. Jha tweeted. Moving on to the next news, Amitabh Gupta, the IPS officer who issued a special pass for Wadhwa brothers to travel from Lonavala to Mahabaleshwar, has now been appointed as the new commissioner of Pune. The plum posting comes at a time when he is working as a principal secretary of law and order in Maharashtra's Home Ministry, the Mumbai Mirror reported. According to the report, the state government has transferred total 22 deputy commissioners and superintendent of police. Another list will be released soon.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.